Welcome friends, you are watching Linux for You YouTube channel. My name is Sushil Sharma and today's topic is how to configure the Apache HTTPS web server. So we are going to create a SSL based HTTPS website configuration. So that website will be secure. In the previous video I have told you I have given video to that how to configure the HTTP website. Now the today topic is HTTPS website. Let's go to the Red Hat 10, the latest Red Hat 10, and then how to configure Apache SSL. Let's see. So here we are going at RHCL 10. First we will configure the host name, right? So whatever host name you have to configure, you have to see here. So the command is sudo host name ctl set hyphen host name, and whatever host name you want, that you have to configure here. Like I'm configuring www.linux4u.com. So this host name I have configured, and after that you have to enter the edit the etc host file where you will set the resolution. Sudo vim/etc/host file, and whatever your IP address of this server you have to enter here. So this entry is for what? This entry is for a static name resolution because you don't have a DNS server. So that's why you are entering this. So that is the IP address of my this server, and the host name you have just configured. And after that save the file. After that you have to install the required packages for Apache HTTPS website by the DNF command. So how many packages you have to install? See carefully. So these packages you need to install first. If you don't know how to configure the DNF, there is another video for that. You can check my playlist, that how to configure the local DNF using the DVD if you don't have the RHC subscription, right? So the package is going to be installed. If you want that all commands I will share with you in the text format, please leave your email ID in the comment box and subscribe and like my channel. Now I am going to create the SSL certificate, right? So you have to carefully run this command. So this command you have to carefully enter. This is a bit length, I have specified now my P will be in a particular directory, right? /etc /httpd/SSL. here my key will be generated, right? And after that one more certificate in the etc slash httpd slash ssl slash apache .cr. So remember that if you don't create the directory, the command will fail. So first create the directory you specified here. So sudo mkdir slash etc httpd and ssl, and now run the same command once again. After that you have to enter some values here. So carefully see that first it is telling me country name. So in for India, state where your company is, where is your locality. After that organization name, right? And that is Linux for you. After that organization name IT. Common name is very important, right? So common name should be your server host name, right? So carefully you have to write it www.linuxforyou.com. Email address, so this way you are entering the required information to generate the certificate. So certificates are generated. If you want to see them, you can run the command etc httpd ssl. So here you can see that two certificate, one key and one certificate is generated, right? So these SSL certificate is generated, and after that we have to modify the main configuration file of the Apache SSL configuration, right? So the command is sudo vim /etc /httpd, then conf.d, and the file is ssl.conf. So this is your Apache main SSL configuration file. Then you can edit it and see carefully. First we are setting up the document root, and first search document root. So here you can see here that line you have to uncomment document root and specify your directory. So when you are specifying the directory, you have to add it where www.html/ssl, right? So in my SSL directory there will be the home page. After that you have to uncomment the another line, that is server name. So search another, that is server name. Uncomment this line, and whatever your server name is you have to specify. So what host name you have set, you have to enter here. So according to me, my lab, that is www.linux for you, right? Now you have to find the SSL certificate file and key line. So again you have to search SSL certificate file. So this line you have to change. So this is the SSL certificate file line where you need to specify your certificate file. So I am changing this line. So according to the location of my certificate, I am changing this line /etc/httpd/ssl/apache.crt, right? So this is the location of my certificate file. Now you have to edit one more line, that is SSL certificate key file. So this line you have to edit again. There is another line. So according to my key location, that is etc httpd/ssl/apache.key, right? So this way you have to edit that, and after that you have to save the file. So this is the main SSL configuration file you have edited. After that you have to create a directory where your home page is set. So sudo mkdir where www html ssl. So in this directory my home page will be created. So I am creating my home page, sudo will where www html ssl, and one file I am creating here, that is index.html. So that will be the home page of my website, right? So whatever you want to write here, you can write here. So I'm writing something here. So this is my home page. So this way you created a home page, right? So save this file. So my home page is created. After that you have to activate the certificates. You just mentioned the SSL configuration file, right? So sudo apache ctl restart. After that you can check that your syntax, all of the configuration you have done very well or not. So by the command I can check my syntax. If syntax is okay, then you will see that. After that you have to enable the HTTPD service and start this service, enable this service persistently. So sudo systemctl enable -now. Just HTTPD. So this is the main service. They have just started and enabled, right? After that you have to enable the HTTPS service in the firewall also, right? So how you can enable? Sudo firewall -cmd -add service is equal to HTTPS and in permanent way, right? After that you have to reload the firewall so that this setting will take effect, right? Reload. So this way my Apache HTTPS server is set up carefully. How you can test that your configuration is okay? So sudo curl -k https www.linuxforyou.com. So with the help of this command you can check that your website is working or not. Yes, my website is working. Your home page is displayed, right? So your website is properly set up. So this was the lab how you can set up your Apache SSL HTTPS website, a secure website using Apache server in the latest Red Hat 10, and that is the whole topic of the RHCSA exam on RHCL 10. So if you are liking my channel, please subscribe this channel and like the videos. And if you have any question, you can comment it. You can leave your email ID in the comment box so that I can mail you the all of the command in the text format. So thank you very much, and stay tuned for the next video tomorrow. Every day I will upload a video on the RHCS exam, right? Thank you very much.